Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Well, this curbside video is going to deliver with some very cheap shampoo, cheap body lotion, and also at some stores you're either 70 to 80% off of the Halloween. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is Halloween. I recommend you go in store. If you love all thing Halloween decor, go see what they have, ask for a couple price checks, and if you're at 80, I would stock up. Typically what they do is they go up to 80, then they bundle it all up, and then it goes to auction or back to head office. So if Halloween is your thing, today would be the day to go and check it out. They're probably going to have this stuff out to mid to the weekend, and then it's going to get packed up and probably sent back to head office for auction, and where people that buy seasonal shelf pulls that bid on these large amounts, they'll probably buy the remaining of it. They make more money that way than selling stuff at 90%. So my prediction is that either 70 to 80, and then they're going to box it up because they want that room for Christmas merchandise. This one, do it in store. I saw online that some stuff is up to 70% off, but to look for that sweet 80, go in store. This video is a curbside pickup, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. Now, I know this isn't shopping everybody likes to do. If you want to be in store, looking around, bebopping, as some of you younger people call it, that's just a joke. If you want to do the deals in store with register rewards and you want to see what you're buying, these are register rewards here on the right. Watch yesterday's video, because curbside, there are no register rewards, and I will link this video at the very end, and this is yesterday's in-store video. Okay, so this first deal has a bit of magic to it. It is to spend $25 on hair care, get back $5, and each of the shampoos that we're grabbing is giving back, I believe, another $3 or $5 back. So that is kind of fantastic. So the first is the Head & Shoulders Clinical, 2 of these for $11.98, and they are 50% off online compared to in-store. And we have this 4 off of 2. This one might be a taller order to find because it's been in the clearance section for a little bit, or it's had a clearance tag for a little bit, so it might be a harder item to find. I specifically had to look at 3 different stores before I found 2. You're going to load this 4 off of 2 digital coupon. What a gift that is. And then we're also going to grab 3 of the Pantene shampoos at $15. And then we're going to load the 2 off 2 digital coupon. So 2 Head & Shoulders, 3 Pantenes for 5 shampoos. That's what we're grabbing. Unfortunately, no coupon code for this one because you have to be $25 right on the nose. So $4 and then $2 melting off. So the overall total is $26.98. Spend $25, get back $5. You've achieved that. Plus, you got an extra $8 back. I believe 3 for Head & Shoulders and then 5 for Pantene, making it $13.26 back. As the specification is spend $25, get back $5, you must use your debit or credit card for the balance. Do not use Walgreens cash or you will not get back that full $13. But this shakes it out to like $1.59 per shampoo, which is a very good deal if you're looking to stock up on Head & Shoulders and Pantene. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is deal number 2. For this one, we're going to be grabbing 3 of the Scott toilet paper. Alternatively, if you want to get like a mix and match of the $5 Scott paper towels, there's like 4 of them in a pack, or this 12 count, you can do that. Or if you want to get 3 paper towels, you do that, whatever you want to do. I'm just going with 3 toilet papers for the purpose of this video. We're going to make sure that we have this clipped, which is $1.25 off of each. And this, in fact, is a Walgreens coupon. So just to show you, that's coming off. And then if you use the code WAG10, an extra $1.12 is also melting off. So a little bit of extra savings for you. And then just to show you guys the overall balance, it is $15. $4.87 melting off. Your curbside pickup is free and tax. So see how that's $10.74. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 74 cents and call this a steal of a deal. Okay, so this next deal is kind of interesting. Walgreens recently has this item specifically back in stock, which is an Olay hand and body lotion. Now, this used to be very, very prevalent maybe 5-6 years ago, and then Olay discontinued the item. It's back, and it's BOGO 50% off for an 18-ounce bottle. They are very large bottles. If you have ashy skin and you are a big fan of the Olay body wash, I recommend to try this. So toss 2 of these into your cart on a BOGO 50% off. As this is a newer product, they've also given us this, which is a 5 off of 2. So there's 2 different varieties. You might have to grab one of each. And then just to show you the $5 coming off, along with the code WAG10 for an extra $1.30 off. If you've never had the opportunity to try this lotion, it is very nice. So $17.98, $1.30 with WAG10, $5 digital. If you want to throw in $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $2.68. I'm wondering if IBOTTA might have a rebate later in the week for this too, because it is such a great lotion and a new product. Okay, so the next deal that we have is deal number 4. For this one, we are going to be grabbing just a hodgepodge of products that include one of these chic men's disposable razors for $8.99. And then it's BOGO 50% off one of these ladies gels as well. We're going to load this $3 for the men's razor. The men's razor is just a bit cheaper than the ladies. That's why we're going with that. And then for the shave gel, we're loading this $1. Now to get that basket to balance out, we're also going to throw in a 12-pack of the Scott toilet paper. Just an easy thing to get the math to balance in my book. And then don't forget, we have that $1.25 Walgreens coupon. We're going to make sure we have it loaded. This is just a very straightforward deal. So just to show you the basket here, everything is melting off. And then you can also use the code WAG10 for an extra $7 off right there. And then just to show you, $15.98, $2.32, $4, $10.48. Now I believe online it says to spend 10, get back 5. I would use my debit for the balance, just to make sure there's no funny business, and you're getting 5 back. So it makes it a pretty good deal. I know that in-store people were using Walgreens cash for the chic deal, but you decide, you're the boss, and I don't want any people being upset, so I would definitely use my debit card for the balance. Okay, the final deal that we have, kind of an interesting one. We're going to be grabbing one of these Swiffer Power Mops. I mean, the really fancy dancy one for $29.99. Original price almost $35. So, wow. They best come with some, as if it's a kit, hopefully they have some samples of the floor cleaner. We have an $11 off digital coupon, so we're going to make sure we have it loaded. Just to show you, using the code WAG10, an extra $1.90 off. It's after the $11 coupon. It's not on the unit price of the item. I wish. $29.99, WAG10 taking $1.90 off, free curbside pickup, tax, and $11 melting off for the total of $18.78. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $8.78 for this mop kit, go for it. I mean, I think this would make a perfect Christmas gift for somebody. If you were going to make a beautiful stockpile gift, I think that would be perfect, probably the center point of it. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.